Hey there, fellow financial warriors. Welcome back to Thrifty Finance Vision PH, the ultimate hub for all things personal finance here in the Philippines. Today, we're diving into a topic that's a common challenge for many: managing debt. Whether it's from credit cards, loans, or other financial obligations, we're here to equip you with practical strategies to conquer debt and pave the way to financial freedom. Mastering debt management is essential for Filipinos, just as it is for anyone else. Here's a step-by-step guide to tackle your debt. Number 1. Understand your debts. List all your debts, including credit card balances, personal loans, and other financial obligations. Note down the interest rates, minimum payments, and due dates for each debt. Number 2. Create a budget. Develop a realistic budget that covers your essential expenses and leaves room for debt payments. Prioritize your debts within your budget. Number 3. Choose a repayment strategy. Consider using either the snowball method, starting with the smallest balance, or the avalanche method, starting with the highest interest rate, to pay off your debts. Choose the method that suits your financial situation and motivates you. Number 4. Negotiate lower interest rates. For high-interest debts, contact your lenders to negotiate lower interest rates. Lower rates can significantly reduce the total amount you'll pay over time. Number 5. Cut non-essential expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back on spending to allocate more funds toward debt repayment. Number 6. Increase your income. Look for opportunities to increase your income through side gigs, freelancing, or part-time work. The extra income can accelerate your debt payoff. Number 7. Prioritize high-interest debts. Focus your efforts on paying off high-interest debts first. These debts accumulate more interest over time, so getting rid of them quickly is beneficial. Number 8. Make consistent payments. Stick to your repayment plan and make consistent payments on time. Avoid late fees and penalties by meeting your minimum payments. Number 9. Avoid new debt. During your debt repayment journey, avoid taking on new debt. Pause credit card usage and think twice before borrowing more money. Number 10. Build an emergency fund. Simultaneously, work on building an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. This prevents you from resorting to credit in case of emergencies. Number 11. Seek financial education. Educate yourself about personal finance. Attend workshops, read books, and follow credible Filipino personal finance experts for guidance. Number 12. Stay motivated. Debt repayment can be a long journey, so find ways to stay motivated. Celebrate each debt milestone you achieve. Number 13. Track your progress. Regularly update your debt repayment progress. Seeing your balances decrease can inspire you to keep going. Number 14. Explore debt consolidation. Consider consolidating high-interest debts into a lower-interest loan. This can make repayment more manageable. Number 15. Seek professional help if needed. If your debt situation is overwhelming, consider seeking help from a certified financial counselor or advisor. They can provide tailored advice based on your circumstances. Remember, mastering debt management takes time and discipline. The key is to create a plan that works for you and consistently stick to it. Overcoming debt can be challenging, but the financial freedom you gain is well worth the effort. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.